Okay, so Matilda said we're making some planters today. So we're out in the sun. I've got my tie-dye t-shirt on, which we made a video on, didn't we, Matilda?
Yep.
So let's show you what we're doing there.
We're doing these. We've already done a couple. We've done 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these.
4, we've done 4, yeah, there's one
one back garden.
So these are just made out of old fence palings with some supports in corner, aren't they, Matilda? And then Matilda painted them herself.
With Mummy.
With your mummy, yeah.
I only put one cut on this one.
Did you?
And I went in there.
Okay, so we're going to make a big one. So let's go show where we're going to build the new one, okay? So the planters are going round here. I'm going to do 2 to go in that corner there. Show Matilda.
Down here?
So take 1 there and then 1 in that corner down there.
Okay.
And they're going to be about, one's going to be about up to there on brick.
That's
and another one a little bit, yeah, a lot bigger. So you'll be a lot of painting to do, yeah? Okay, let's get cracking.
Yeah, look painting!
Okay, Matilda's got the tape measure. So the plan is to have 2 down here. So Matilda,
yeah.
You grab the end of your tape measure, grab the end of it, and hold it into the corner of that wall over there. Right into the corner, measure how long it is like this, that's it. Okay, so we've got what, 195-ish, 195 point to point. Okay. Okay, what planned it out, both 75 centimetres wide, both 60 centimetres deep. This one 70 centimetres high, and this one 54 centimetres high. So let's start cutting the 4 corners for the insides, do them, and then we can crack on. Okay, so we did it for 54 height, but the palings are 10 centimetres each, so we'll knock that down to 50. So these I've cut 54. Just need to chop 4 centimetres off each of them. So we'll do that now. Okay, so the palings we're using are ones we took off the fence, just standard 10 centimetre palings, exterior ones obviously. So we need to cut quite a lot of these up, so we've got to do, just worked out in my book, for the left hand smaller one, 10 lots of 75 centimetre, 10 lots of 60. So you've got 5 across the front, 5 across the back, 5 side. And then for that one, 7 up front, 7 on each side. So 14 times 75 and then 14 times 60. So we'll get them cut up now. This table out now, so the plan is I'm going to lay down 2 of these like so, like that, and then I can get my wood like that, push it up nice and flush against that up there, and I'm going to pin it into the wood. I think for these longer ones, for the bigger sides, I want to put an extra one like that down the middle, pin it, do another side, and then we can put the depth parts to fix it all together. Okay, I got my nail gun from my air compressor, so we're going to use them. I think these are about 32 mil
Hello.
Nails, brad nails, so we'll do them, that should hold it in fine. So let's fly through it now. Okay, we've got the front and the back done now. So I'll put the side panels on, so what we'll do is stand them up like this on their end and then pin them to each side. So we'll put it back into time lapse and crack on with that now. Okay, there it is in all its beauty, looking good. What I'll do is I'm going to put some cross braces on the bottom, across here, just to give it that rigidity. And then inside, it's too deep for that much compost, so I'll build a false wall in there. So we'll put that bottom on and create that false floor. Okay, so I built a little frame inside, as you can see there. Just 2 palings down. So I'll get the palings like that, drop them in, create that false layer. Matilda's just busted up and hose pipes crying. Oh dear. So we've got it built now in the cut and put it into place. Let me show you. There it is in corner. You see with a false shelf built into it, false floor, whatever it is. It's 20 centimetres high. So it's looking really good there. Obviously we need to put some lining in that, just some weed lining, felt stuff. And we can put the compost in. Let's go and make the other one now for there. Okay, all built, all done, next to each other. Got that raised bed in. So Natalie will fill them with compost. Well, no, we need to put felt in actually. Line them first. And then compost. Okay, we're outside, it's about 9 million degrees. Let me show you the paint we're using. So it's this one from Wickes, it's the Aegean Dream garden paint. Use it on the other planters, use it on these two, so they'll carry them around there and get painted. Okay, let's go around and do it now. That's what we paint. Say hello, Tilda. Tilda. Say hello.
What? Hello.
Okay, so we've got them here. So, ready to paint. Okay, all our 2 coats of paint on now, then we just need to put the liner inside once we've dried, let it dry for about half an hour, and I'll put the liner in. All done, looking good. There we go. All stapled in and trimmed. Now I'll just fill it down with compost and put some flowers in. But they're looking great. A lot more. Planters all done. Looking good. Natalie built a bit of a climber to go around back up top of that one as well. It's all finished and done.